so excited. Alright, today's the day. It's all happening so fast, but today's the day I'm finally going to be lightening my hair. I'm getting ready to go out to a full day outside right now. So first I'm gonna like put on my sunscreen and everything, and then I'll be doing the spray and I'm gonna walk you guys through it. This video is not sponsored by Sun Bum, although it would be awesome, but I do love them and use a lot of their stuff. So first, putting on some sunscreen. I really hope it's sunny enough for this today, although I know you can also do it without the sun, like you could use a hair dryer, so if anything I'll just do that, I guess. I use a spoolie to get the sunscreen out of my eyebrows before I put eyebrow gel on. Pro tip. Alright, the time is now. So I'm using the Sun Bum Blonde Hair Lightener. Obviously it's for blonde hair, but on the Sun Bum website, they literally have a whole page that says, yes, it's safe to use with darker hair colors. Your hair just obviously won't become blonde, which is not what I want. I'm hoping to just bring out my actual like sun-touched hair color. I'll give the full review like in several hours when we see how it went, but before that I'll right off the bat say I wouldn't recommend you use this if your locks are new. Like if you really have baby locks and they still unravel, don't use something like this, because anything like you do to your hair, like dye it, bleach or whatever like this, is loosening your curl pattern, it's altering your hair texture, and you don't want that to mess up your like lock journey. My hair is 7 months locked, which they're still babies, but like, I don't have to worry as much about like what's happening to my hair. Like, it does its own thing, and yeah. So on the bottle it says that you can use this on wet or dry hair, but I saw several videos and on their website that sort of suggest your hair should be damp before starting. On their website they also said it's best to use on washed and conditioned hair. I washed my hair yesterday, so my hair is clean. I don't use conditioner regularly, obviously, because I'm in the process of locking my hair and I don't want conditioner to unlock my hair. Though I do have it, and probably the next time I wash my hair, I will use a little conditioner, since this will probably dry out my hair a bit. But my hair is moisturized, it's not dry. Yeah, so I think this is a deal. I thought about that yesterday when I washed my hair. So I'm just going to like wet my hands and run that through my hair a bit to dampen it, and then we'll spray. That definitely would have been simpler with a spray bottle, but my spray bottle has rosemary and peppermint in it right now, and I don't know if I want to like put a bunch of stuff in my hair underneath this. I don't know. And I'm also thinking that having your hair damp probably helps it like penetrate more, especially if you have locks. All right, so we're just gonna do it. On their website it says go section by section, but not precisely, so I'm thinking this is like a good sprayer. I saw a video where girls had to start at your roots, but since my hair is short, oh yeah, it's like a really even spray. Since my hair is short, I don't really need to start right at the roots. It smells like all Sunbum things, like bananas. Doesn't say how much to use, but I'm looking for different colors, so I'm not afraid to use a lot and get in there. I guess I am starting with my roots first. I know it won't evenly lighten just because like the hair that's underneath won't get as much sunlight during the day, but maybe I will give it a fighting chance by trying to like spray this everywhere. Alright, now I'm doing the length. I didn't see anyone talking about like doing this, but I don't know. I don't want anything to look patchy, so. Okay, why is my like finger getting tired? Try not to get this on my face so much. You guys remember that episode of Full House where Uncle Jesse invents like a hairspray shield for your face and it's like you hold it up and it covers your face? Sometimes I wish I had one of those. Do you think those exist? Alright, I don't know if I'm using way too much or what, but... I've never, like as a kid, I never used like Sun-In or those things. But I feel like this is probably exactly the same, maybe with slightly better ingredients. Yeah. I don't know if it's like healthier for your hair, but this definitely has better ingredients. Like I said, I trust Sunbum. I use a lot of their stuff, and I always have. Alright, my hair is definitely like thoroughly saturated. I guess I'm just thinking like, since you can't use this like more than once between washes, then I probably wouldn't even use it that amount of times. Like I don't want to further damage my hair. I'm like, I gotta make this first time count. Maybe I'm using way too much. I don't know. Somebody help me. I really like the smell of this. It's very mild, but I really like it. Okay. I have like, I would say I have more than half left in this bottle. So I guess if I don't get the exact results I want, maybe I'll do it again in like a month. I also didn't buy the toner that they make that goes with this, but depending on the results, maybe I'll pick it up today or tomorrow. I mean, I know the toner is like for blonde hair, but it also can help with like brassiness. So we'll see if the color is my real kind of reddish highlights or if it's like really orangey brass-ish. But still, like I said, I'm not that picky. I like fun hair colors, so like whatever it is, I'll probably think it's cool. And alright, let's go into the sun. Oops, I did not think about how long I'd be sitting in the car before I got to the sun. Okay, it's like 30 minutes later. I'm finally outside. I can't believe I didn't think it'd be sunny enough because it is heckin' hot. Wow, boyfriend reveal for the first time.
I think you should tell everyone that I'm just some random guy.
I feel like I've been outside for so long. I have started to sweat, but my hair does not look that different to me. I don't know if maybe I just can't tell. Also, I'm blinded by the sun. What do you guys think? Red, I can't tell.
Is it either can tell if like this color over here or just like sun bouncing off?
I know, like in this, it looks so bright, but we're standing, let me go in the shade and see.
In the shade, it's harder to tell.
I can't tell, I don't know. We were out there for a couple of hours and like now we're headed home back in the car, and I don't know if this thing like develops only in the sun or if it's gonna like keep developing after. I still can't tell the difference, but we'll see. Okay, I'm back home now. I hope you guys can tell on camera, but it definitely worked. It's like very subtly lighter. It's about the same color as like the ends of my hair were before, so that means it highlighted it like truly to the exact shade of like my natural sun-kissed hair. Outside I couldn't tell because it was so bright. As you can see, I'm sweating. Also, the bottom didn't really lighten that much, but that makes sense just because the sun can't like hit that directly. So I'm thinking I'm going to maybe like spray the bottom and do it with a hair dryer like another time though, not right now. Right now, my hair like my hair doesn't feel that different. I think it's like a little bit dry, like 2% drier, but I know that it could like continue to get drier and more damaged. Like I'm going back outside like in an hour, so I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna hop in the shower to de-sweat, and I think I'm gonna do like a co-wash, so just to get a little moisture back in there. And I'd probably recommend that for anyone. Definitely like if you have like new locks, don't do like a deep conditioning treatment or anything like that that's gonna make your hair unravel. But I'm gonna do a co-wash with like my very diluted conditioner, which I will show you guys now how I'm gonna make that. Again, I'm sorry for being so sweaty. So this is the conditioner that I use. You guys know I like really basic stuff, nothing really fancy. I prefer no like fragrance, no dye or anything. The only exception to that really is the shampoo, because the Suave Daily Clarifying Shampoo just is simply the best. And I dilute that a lot too, so I like to think that I'm sort of mitigating those bad ingredients. But yeah, this is the conditioner that I use, and then I'm just gonna like put like honestly 1 squirt of it into this empty bottle and fill the rest with water. Okay, so there's not really exact science to it. This is a few squirts, this is how much I put in there, and now I'm just gonna fill this with water. And shake, shake, shake. And basically I would just use this like a rinse, like wet my hair, put like a little squirt of this. Don't really rub it in because we're not trying to detangle anything. And then rinse it out just to get a little more moisture and softness back in. Of course my hair is wet now, so it's darker, but it still looks lighter. I like it. And I've realized since my hair is damp right now and I'm about to go back out, I'll just spray the bottom now because I need to blow dry my hair anyway since I'm going back out. So I'm just gonna... Also, I've concluded, I don't know all the ingredients in this, like I don't know what they are really, but it really didn't dry out my hair. Like there were several points throughout the day where I felt it and actually thought my hair was like softer than usual, so maybe it depends your hair type. I didn't find it to be super drying. Okay, so I just sprayed the back, and because I'm blow drying my hair, I'm gonna stretch it a bit. So I'm just gonna like do... Oh my god, wait, this is so cute. Oh, I didn't know my hair was long enough to do this. Because it's only long enough to do this when it's wet. Okay, so I have these two, which I'm loving. Man, I just want my hair to be like 3 inches longer. I'm not putting like as much effort into lightening the back as I did earlier because, you know, you can't see the back of your head, so it doesn't really matter. break from the hot hair dryer. God, I can't wait for fall. I love the look of my hair after I blow dry it, but you know, don't want too much heat damage. I'll probably blow dry my hair like once every few months. It's only if I have to go out immediately. Otherwise, I always air dry, but you know, it shrinks up. Like, isn't that so cute? Also, if anyone can recommend really good heat protectant sprays that are like good for sensitive skin, that'd be awesome, because I had to stop using heat protectant spray. Otherwise, I probably would just blow dry my hair more often, just for like the easiness of it. Please leave your recommendations in the comments. Alright, so this is it. This is the result. Again, it's like really hard to tell on camera. It's funny too, because all the videos I watch of people using the hair lightener spray, at the end they're like, I don't know if you can tell. It really like is super subtle. It is hard to tell on camera. I can tell in person, and I'm happy with the results, so I would recommend this. It doesn't feel like it didn't need damage, and honestly, it didn't loosen my locks more than they already are. Like, you know, the ends of my locks are loose because that's the texture of my hair. But I think it's a great thing, great solution. Unless you're looking for like a drastic change. I was really looking for subtle, basically to take me from cool tone to warm tone. And this is it. I will catch you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!